गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फिज़िक्स ग्रेड 11th का सेकेंड बुक एंड द चैप्टर वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद इज मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड। मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ solids. So basically today now we'll be dealing with few terminologies associated with this chapter. So the first term is elastic and plastic bodies. Elastic and plastic. The second term which we'll be learning about is stress. Third is strain. And the fourth is Hooke's law. So these are the things which we'll be covering today one by one. Now firstly we'll be speaking about what is this elastic and plastic body. So elastic body, basically this elastic bodies now, these are those bodies which return or regain their original shape. So such kind of bodies now, they are known as perfectly elastic bodies, whereas those bodies which don't regain their shape after stretching, they are called perfectly plastic bodies. For instance, this is suppose an object. You have applied external force on either of its side. Now once you applied the external force, it extended to some extent. Okay, it extended till here, let's suppose. Now once you stopped applying this external force, what you find is it again came back to its original position. So this is the case of perfectly elastic bodies. Whereas for the case of plastic bodies, what will happen? Let's suppose you applied external force here and again on this side. What will happen is now this body will be left at this state only. It won't come back to its normal state. So such kind of bodies are called plastic bodies, and such kind of bodies are known as elastic bodies. So I hope you are clear with these two terminologies. Now going on to the next point, that is stress. Let's understand what we mean by the term stress. See, stress, this is not something called mental stress. So here let's suppose again you have a block. Okay, here applying F external from both the sides. Now once you apply this external force, what will happen? See, solid, for sure it is made up of many particles inside, right? And these particles have the tendency to apply internal force. Means when you are applying the external force in one side, these particles now they'll try to maintain their original shape and they won't contribute to external force. Instead they'll apply force to the direction which is opposite to the external force, and this force is known as restoring force. And this F external is also known as deforming force. Okay, now what we already know, we know that both these kind of forces now, they are being acted upon some kind of area over here, right? And through definition we know, like force upon area is nothing but pressure. Fine, this is known to us. But here what is stress? Stress is basically, see, pressure is basically force upon area, but speaking of this case, this is external force upon area. Whereas if I speak of what is stress, stress is basically equal to F restoring upon area. So this formula is for stress. Stress is nothing but restoring force upon area, whereas normal force is F external upon area. Okay. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.